Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add a text using Descript. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in descript.com. After that, you just need to go and of course, you can go also launch the application or just log into your profile or register to Descript if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add text using Descript. But first of all, let's see what we have in front of us. In the the left side of the screen, we have the projects, quick recordings, we have the AI speakers and templates, and the private workspace here. In the top right corner, we have, as you can see, your profile and all the settings and the new project, which is one of the main things in here. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and add text using Descript. So first of all, go and, of course, create a project. So click on your project, go and click on a video project if you want. Now, click on the text tool in the toolbar, usually represented by a T icon. After that, click on the video or audio timeline where you want to add the text. A text ball will appear. Enter a text you want to add. You can type directly into the text box, or you can customize the font, size, color, and position over text using the text properties panel on the right side. This will add text overlays to your video or audio project. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.